Imagine you're a woman in your late 40s. Your memory starts to slip, and you simply can't concentrate. The mental fog becomes so thick that you start to wonder, with a very real sense of dread, if you are developing early-onset Alzheimer's. Then your body starts doing strange things. Your heart races for absolutely no reason. You feel sudden phantom electric shocks in your muscles. Allergies you've never had before suddenly flare up and become unmanageable. Naturally, you start booking appointments. You see a cardiologist for the intense palpitations. You visit a psychiatrist to manage the sudden anxiety. You track down an allergist for the new reactions. But the tests come back. Your heart is fine. Your neurology scans are clear. According to the lab work, there is absolutely nothing wrong with you. These failing systems share a single point of origin: the biological transition into perimenopause and menopause. When doctors treat a racing heart, insomnia, and joint pain as isolated issues, women end up trapped in a cycle of constant misdiagnosis, while the root cause remains hidden. Medically speaking, menopause has a very strict definition. It is the exact point when a woman between the ages of 45 and 55 goes 12 consecutive months without a menstrual period. But the severe symptoms usually begin years earlier, in perimenopause, a chaotic transition window where the body prepares to shut down its reproductive cycle. This chart maps the chemical mechanism driving the chaos. Estrogen and progesterone move steadily before becoming violently erratic and crashing to a permanent low. Now track a third element, testosterone. It remains steady, becoming the dominant chemical as the others drop. This inverted ratio scrambles the entire body. Internal systems that used to communicate perfectly lose their chemical messengers, causing routine physiological functions to become unpredictable. First, the estrogen drop disrupts the brain's internal thermostat. The body begins to register false temperature signals, triggering hot flashes and severe chills that can strike up to 20 times a day. That same deficit affects the nervous system. Without estrogen to stabilize neurotransmitters, women experience intense mood swings, depression, and chronic insomnia. Dominant testosterone alters the skin. Scalp hair thins and breaks, while unexpected facial hair grows in, often accompanied by adult acne. In the reproductive system, the lack of estrogen thins and dries out vaginal tissues, which leads to physical discomfort and painful sex. The surrounding urinary tract also changes. These physical shifts increase the frequency of incontinence and raise the risk for recurrent urinary tract infections. Perhaps the most dangerous consequence happens silently inside the skeletal system. The body loses its ability to absorb and retain calcium. This shows the impact. In a cross-section of a dense bone matrix, the lack of calcium causes the internal structure to dissolve. The bone becomes highly porous and brittle, leading directly to osteoporosis. This wide array of symptoms stems from a single event, the withdrawal of two specific hormones from the body. Managing this transition starts with a clinical consultation to confirm the perimenopause diagnosis and rule out unrelated diseases. Once confirmed, the strategy shifts to replacement. Because the body is rapidly losing essential resources, patients can use targeted nutrition to restore what is being lost. This animation illustrates the role of phytoestrogens. These plant-based compounds, found in beans and flaxseed, have a structure nearly identical to human estrogen. They fit into empty receptors on the cell, mimicking the action of the lost hormone. To protect the skeletal system, the body requires raw materials: magnesium to help create over 300 vital hormones, calcium for the bone matrix, and vitamin D to ensure that calcium is actually absorbed. Supporting the nervous system requires healthy fats like omega-3s, vitamin E from avocados and almonds, and botanicals like chamomile and valerian root to manage the stress of the transition. Targeted nutrition and clinical awareness change the experience of menopause from a period of bodily betrayal to a manageable